In this video, we're going to further explore the analysis tools within the EasySense2 software. In this version of the EasySense2 software, we're using version 1.0.18. EasySense2 has several tools that allow you to analyze the data from your practical science activities. We're going to look at each tool in turn and give examples of each. To select each tool, simply click on the Tools icon to show the list of analysis tools. The first tool is the Values tool, and as the name suggests, it will show you the value along the graph's x-axis. Once this tool is active, place your cursor along the graph line and the value will be displayed in the panel on the right, named Values along with the time the reading was taken. The Difference tool allows you to select 2 points on the graph to show the difference between each point, in both time and value. And an example would be to show how much the temperature has changed over a 10-minute period. The Gradient tool gives you the gradient between two click and drag user-defined points on the graph. To illustrate its use, we shall use a graph of distance against time created with a motion sensor. If we select 2 points on the graph, we define a gradient. This gradient shows the rate of change of distance with time, which is equal to velocity. The Gradient tool has, in this case, given us the average velocity between the 2 points. Note, the unit for the gradient is shown as meters per second. The Area tool shows you the area measured as a total number over a period of time. To illustrate this, we shall look at the area under the voltage time graph created by dropping a magnet through a coil. Using the click and drag capabilities to define the beginning and end of the data selection, we will see the volts.seconds value in the data box on the right. The Crosshair tool is very useful for interpolation of data, or more commonly when plotting one sensor against another. For example, where voltage is along the x-axis and current is along the y-axis, the Crosshair tool will show you the value for each sensor reading on the graph. The last tool in the analysis tools is the Select Data tool. This allows you to select a section of the graph, isolating any data that is not relevant to that practical. Once you have selected the data, you can then use the other analysis tools to further explore your data. To clear your selection, click the Select Data tool followed by Undo Selection. That completes our introduction to the analysis tools in the EasySense2 software. In the next video, we're going to further explore the Runs menu. If you want to see more videos like this, then please click the like and subscribe buttons. And don't forget to click on the bell option to be notified. And if you have any further questions, please contact us through our website at www.data-harvest.co.uk. Thank you.